Hi everyone. So the last ordering that we're going to do from least to greatest is when they include integers, rational numbers, and now they're going to include absolute value. So it's exactly like we were doing before when we were comparing. You want to actually solve and you want to say what the absolute value of -1 is first. So we're going to go through 5, 0. Here's the absolute value of -1, which is 1. Absolute value of 4 is 4. So now we're going to order these least to greatest. So we're going to put our 0 because we always start with 0. And it looks like we go to 5. So always have the same interval. So this is 2, 4, and there's 5. So I might as well do them all. And this is 1, 2, oops, sorry, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so we're going to start from the left. So this is +5. So there is my 5. All right, then we're going to have 0. We're going to plot my 0. This is really 1. So we're going to put it at 1, but we're going to write absolute value of -1. And then we have 4, but we're not going to write just 4. You're going to write absolute value of 4. And then you have -2. And there's my -2. So we're going to write least to greatest. Remember, for the computer, they do a comma. But on our paper, I really want you to work on your less than or greater than sign to know when you're working with inequalities, when you're working with least or greatest. So when you're talking about least to greatest, you always start furthest to the left. All right, so let's go from here. And furthest to the left is -2. So you're going to write -2 is less than. Then our next one is 0. Next one is absolute value of -1. You always want to go back to the original. Then absolute value of 4. And then less than 5. And that's how you solve ordering least to greatest with absolute values.